My name is Diane Srivastava, and I'm a professor of zoology at the University of British Columbia. My research is in community ecology. That's the study of how species interact with each other and with their environment. My own research has helped test and build the theory for food web ecology and global change ecology. The other thing that I've been working on is a program that we call the Living Data Project, a national initiative where we train hundreds of graduate students. We have a particular focus here on rescuing legacy datasets in ecology and evolution. Also, as director of the Canadian Institute of Ecology and Evolution, I've been able to help hundreds of Canadian researchers answer key questions in ecology and evolution by forming working groups that synthesize large amounts of previously collected data. I love it when nature surprises me. It makes me rethink established theory and discover new mechanisms for how food webs work. And I love training the next generation of researchers.